Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of bulky phones that don't stand out anymore? Want a device that fits in your pocket but still feels futuristic, powerful, and premium? Most smartphones look the same, but what if your phone could fold, flex, and still perform like a flagship? Meet the Motorola Razr 2025, a stylish foldable smartphone that blends nostalgia with next-gen performance. 6.9-inch foldable main display with 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. Large external cover display, 1056 by 1066, for quick access without opening the phone. 50MP main camera for sharp, detailed photos in any lighting. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 for strong mid to flagship level performance. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage for multitasking and media storage. Optimized Android 15 experience for smoother UI and better efficiency. Premium Pantone Spring Bud color for a unique stylish look. Pros: compact foldable design, very portable. Large cover display is actually useful. Smooth 120Hz performance. Strong camera for its class. Cons: not as powerful as ultra-flagship Snapdragon chips. Battery life may feel average under heavy use. Foldable durability still not like standard phones. Perfect for users who love stylish, compact phones. Social media users and content creators. People who want a premium foldable experience without ultra-flagship pricing. Anyone bored of traditional smartphone designs. At around $564.99, the Motorola Razr 2025 offers a rare mix of foldable design, strong performance, and premium style, making it one of the most affordable entry points into foldable smartphones. Number 4. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a next-generation foldable powerhouse built for productivity, AI features, and a massive immersive display. 8-inch dynamic foldable display, 2560 by 1440, 120Hz, for tablet-like experience. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3.53 to 4.47 GHz, for flagship-level speed. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage for heavy multitasking and storage needs. Advanced AI photo editing tools for smarter image enhancements. Improved long battery life optimization for all-day usage. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8, offering smoother multitasking and foldable optimization. Premium silver shadow design with refined foldable engineering. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 cell phone. Pros: huge immersive screen ideal for multitasking. Extremely powerful performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite. Strong storage, 512GB, plus smooth 120Hz display. Advanced AI tools improve camera and productivity. Cons: very expensive compared to normal flagship phones. Foldable design still needs careful handling. Battery life may vary with heavy multitasking use. Best for power users who multitask a lot, apps, work, media. Content creators who want a big screen in a pocket device. Tech enthusiasts who want the latest foldable innovation. Professionals who need productivity on the go. At around $864.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a premium investment, offering a phone plus tablet experience in one device, with top-tier performance and AI features for serious users. Number 3. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26, a premium 2026 flagship smartphone built for speed, AI intelligence, and smooth everyday performance. 6.3-inch immersive AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. Powered by a powerful next-gen processor for fast gaming and multitasking. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage for smooth performance and reliable space. Built-in Galaxy AI features for smarter photography, search, and productivity. Durable all-day battery optimized for heavy usage. 5G connectivity plus Bluetooth support for fast and stable connections. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5 for a clean, refined experience. Stylish sky blue design with premium finish. Samsung Galaxy S26. Pros. Fast and smooth performance for daily and heavy use. Strong AI integration for smarter phone experience. Compact flagship design with premium build. Excellent display quality with 120Hz refresh rate. Cons. No major size upgrade for users wanting bigger screens. Premium pricing for a non-foldable device. Battery life depends on heavy AI and 5G usage. Best for users who want a compact but powerful flagship phone. People who love AI-powered smart features. Gamers and multitaskers who don't want a bulky device. Anyone upgrading from older Samsung or mid-range phones. At around $799.99, the Galaxy S26 sits in the premium flagship range. It offers a strong balance of performance, AI features, and design, making it a solid choice if you want a future-ready Samsung phone without going foldable. Number 2. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Blue Shadow, a ultra-premium foldable smartphone designed for next-level multitasking, AI power, and a massive cinematic display experience. 8-inch foldable display with ultra-high resolution, 7680 by 4320, for extreme clarity. High-performance chip with 3.53 to 4.47 GHz processing speed for flagship-level power. 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage for heavy multitasking and large files. Advanced Galaxy AI tools for photo editing, productivity, and smart assistants. Long-lasting battery optimization for all-day foldable usage. Android 16 plus One UI 8 optimized for foldable workflows. 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Premium blue shadow finish for a luxury look. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 cell phone. Pros. Huge immersive display perfect for multitasking and media. Top-tier storage and RAM combination, 512 GB plus 12 GB. Powerful performance with smooth AI features. Premium foldable design with flagship feel. Cons. Very expensive compared to regular flagship phones. Foldable durability still requires careful handling. Heavy usage may impact battery faster than expected. Best for power users who need tablet plus phone in one device. Business users and multitaskers. Content creators and productivity-focused users. Tech enthusiasts who want the most advanced foldable experience. At around $1,699.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 sits in the ultra-premium category. It's not just a phone, it's a folding productivity machine, offering flagship power, AI tools, and a large screen experience in one device. Number 1. Meet the OnePlus 15, a super-fast flagship smartphone built for extreme performance, massive battery life, and ultra-smooth gaming. 6.78-inch high-resolution display, 2772 by 1272, for sharp, immersive visuals. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 4.61 GHz, for top-tier speed and gaming performance. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage for heavy multitasking and huge app/game storage. Massive 7,300 mAh battery for all-day to multi-day usage. 165Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and competitive gaming. Dual SIM plus unlocked Android 16 for flexibility and global use. Premium infinite black design for a clean flagship look. OnePlus 15. Pros. Extremely powerful performance, flagship-level chipset. Huge 7,300 mAh battery is a major advantage. Very smooth 165Hz display. Large RAM plus storage for heavy users. Cons. Large battery may make the phone heavier. High refresh rate can drain battery faster in gaming. Premium pricing compared to mid-range phones. Best for hardcore mobile gamers. Power users who multitask heavily. People who want maximum battery life plus performance. Tech enthusiasts upgrading from older flagships. At around $999.99, The OnePlus 15 delivers near top-tier flagship performance with a standout battery and ultra-smooth display, making it a strong value competitor in the premium smartphone category. If you liked this breakdown, check the link in the description for the best deal. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons every week.